That's Off-White right there. We got Mr. Off-White right here. We got Mr. Old Spice right here. I'm gonna do an edit on that shit.
Now look at the card. Now look at me.
Yeah, look at me. Look at me. Hey, Old Spice, look at me. Look at me.
Hello, ladies. Look at your man. Now back to me. Now back at your man. Now back to me. Sadly, he isn't me. But if he stopped using lady-scented body wash and switched to Old Spice, he could smell like he's me. Ow.
Who's got a deodorant stick?
Yeah. Hey,
model the product.
hey, I guarantee he's got an Old Spice deodorant over here. Let me see. Hey, sponsored by Old Spice. Sponsored by Old Spice. Sponsored. Hold it. Hey, hold it. Sponsored. This video is going to be a top 10 best mods video that you guys can do to your Corvette. So please stay tuned, watch the video, and let's get it, guys. Thank you. Whew. All right. I was involved in an automobile accident. Like I said, I was only a few blocks away from my home. Going down the street, the light is green, and so it's a 2-lane road. So you're going down the street, just going regular. The car on my left lane, he wanted to take a left turn. When I was going through the intersection, right when I got in the middle, I just see a car coming from my left side, and I was able to just kind of turn the wheel with enough time. That's why I tell you guys, don't text and drive. Don't be paying attention on the road at all times. Turned, so he was able to hit me on my fender, but the car pushed, and the momentum of the car when he hit me, and my car momentum took me into the light pole. But ultimately, guys, it was as simple as I'm going through an intersection, a car is coming, they don't have the green, and just smacked me through the intersection. Was able to turn at the last second, but the trajectory took me into the light pole. Driver's perfectly fine, wasn't like a drunk situation. Driver's actually a pretty cool guy. Nothing like, not gonna talk bad about anybody at all or anything. It's always peace, always love, and just always don't bring that hateful energy around the world, guys. Woo! Y'all, the moment of truth, man. Woo. Oh, there he is. There's a man right there. This piece, he even put the bumper in right. He scraped all this. This is all now scraped up like that. He didn't reinstall this piece. He scraped up the whole bumper all the way. From here, he didn't even install the kit right. Like, not even one solid piece. This is different pieces. Putting the decal back on, different lines and different pieces. The fender, like that's supposed to be like wrapped. It's just everywhere. It's just a mess. Like it's loose. It's like that on both sides of the car. Tires are all messed up. All right, y'all. So this is the wait that y'all been waiting for about a week and a half now. To be honest, it's been a hard month for me. I've been going through a lot, but like I said, when you vlog the good and you vlog the bad. Me being a business owner, owning a business and running a business, this is just unprofessional. Have a good day. Yo! Oh man, oh my God. All right, hold up. Y'all haven't seen it yet. Let me just do myself. I see it first. Yo. Yeah.
After I get it, I reinvest. After I get it, I reinvest. People wanna talk that talk in reality. You have not seen me in action. You think the come up comes overnight. You ain't behind the scenes, trust me, these things don't just happen. No shade to Gerald, but G's don't come easy when you trying to eat out producing and rapping. I read that contract you sent me to sign, but excuse me, I can't help myself, I'm just laughing. Hey, you trying to cut out a piece of my pie, and I asked you politely, what's it that you want? Cause on my own beats and I have no intention of losing my publisher, yeah.
Anyway, guys, thank you so much for the 1,000 subscribers. You know, I really told myself this year I wanted to push. I wanted to really take this serious. I wanted to really start just getting out there. I wanted to make content. So, you know, even if it's just 5 minutes out of the day, or maybe if it's 15 minutes, I want to make it fun content so you guys would enjoy my videos. You guys would get something from my videos.
Welcome back, YouTube family. This is the SUBZERU vlogs. Back here with another video just for you guys. I wanted to say, guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much. 5,000 subscribers, y'all. 5,000 subscribers. How awesome is that, man? I'm so blessed. I'm so happy, man. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much for everyone that has watched my videos, that subscribed to my channel, that has liked my videos, and that overall has spent your time just checking out my content. Oh, I like that. I like that.
better than you. Love me better than you. You love me better than you. You love me better than you. Love me better than you do.
Yeah.
Look how wide this is.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah.
I think that's an 11. Yeah, 18 by 11 on that thing. Check this out.
Fresh out of the box.
F14s, blood red. Them things is clean. Silver line, silver like that just matches perfectly. Next is we're gonna be installing the new shifter plate trim, and we're gonna be installing the new shifter. Way better. I'm speechless, guys. I'm absolutely speechless by how much better it looks. Not just looks wise, but feel wise. Just started, and overall this middle is already looking absolutely clean. So that's how that's looking, and oh my gosh, is that looking way. Yo, hold up. Hold up, yo. Very easy to install. Very, very easy. Did not take long at all to install these pieces, but damn, does it change just everything inside of here. I love the way these look.